we are now going to draw the pattern for the dodecahedron, which is made of pentagons. I'm going to draw a line on my page, and I'm going to draw a circle on this line. We are going to draw a second circle where circle 1 meets the line. It's going to be 2 circles. And we are going to draw a straight line between these 2 circles. Where they intersect, you're going to draw a straight line. Okay. Now we draw a third circle where circle number 1 and circle number 2 meet. On the bottom, we draw a third circle. Okay, and let me label this for you. A, circle B, circle C. Where circle A and B, the arc between A and B, you are going to label this O. Okay, this arc is made by circle C, and it goes from point A to point B. That's going to be O. Then there are other connection points down here. So I'm going to call this BC, and I'm going to call this AC because that's the connection between circle B and C is over here. Circle A and C is over there. Okay. So BC runs through O and lands somewhere over here. So if I draw a straight line from BC to O, it lands somewhere on circle A. So that point is the left side of my pentagon. AB is the bottom of my pentagon. Now we have to find the right side of the pentagon. AC to O. It ends up on circle B somewhere, and that is the right side of my pentagon. I take my compass, I draw 2 arcs to find the middle. It lands very close to that first line that we drew, and that is the roof of my pentagon. Pencil down, move your ruler in, draw your line. And that's how you make a pentagon. In order to make a pentagon pattern on the inside, we draw the pentagram star, connecting all the points. Okay, so you could see that there is a small pentagon on the inside of this big pentagon. So let's make this dark. Keep your guidelines light, your contour lines dark. Okay, so I'm going to just take my pencil now. I'm going to try to keep it light. Again, I make a star on the inside of the pentagon, but I extend that line to the outside. Okay, so make a star on the inside of the pentagon, extend it to the outside. Do this for all the points in the pentagon. And that's how you get the wall of the grid, of the pentagon pattern, sorry. And the last, okay? So let me darken it for you with my colored pencil. Now you have a pentagon pattern. So if you want to make a pentagon pattern on the inside, try to make as big of a pentagon as possible on a big piece of paper. That way you could create a pattern of smaller pentagons on the inside of your root pentagon, which is the pentagon that you made first. I'm just going to darken this. And now you could add your tabs if you want all the way around this pentagon. I'm going to just draw the tabs in. Just use a ruler or put a piece of tape on the edge of your ruler. Okay, and that's the tab for your pentagon. For the triangle on the inside, I always cut one side of it to use as my tab on the inside. So always cut at the same place. Okay, and now you have your pentagon tabs. So I'm just going to finish drawing all these out. Sorry, like this. So just follow the edges and you will get your tab shape. Follow the edge to create the shape of the tab. And then this is going to be the tab for the inside. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Tab for the inside is the inside triangle. You can see I've already made a hole here. You put the tab right up to the edge of the piece that you want to connect. There should be a hole in there first. You mark where the hole should be on the connecting side, and then you punch a hole here. And now you can marry these two together. Okay, so this pattern will give you 1/2 of your dodecahedron. You have to make 2 of them. So repeat this process on another page with the same compass size, and you will get your pattern.